Look here. So I said that what for us to get this value, coordinate G, we want to find the equation of line FG, find the equation of line HG, then we solve it simultaneously. Is that right to you now? Good. Now to find equation of line FG. Because I'm explaining, that's why I'm writing this note for you. Whenever I give class or no need of writing this note, I want you to understand. That is why I was for you to understand. So to find equation of line FG now we use this formula: y equal to y1 equal m bracket s minus s1. To find equation of a straight line, this is the formula we normally use. Now from here now, and it passes FG, and it passes through what? It passes through this, abi? It passes through 2 minus 1, abi? 2 minus 1, abi? So it means our x1, this will be our s1, y1. So the gradient of FG is unknown, and you cannot find the gradient because G is unknown. But this line is parallel to this line. Can you see now? It's parallel to this line. So and line EH, we can easily find the gradient. Why? Because E is coordinate E is given, coordinate H is given. Now let's find. So to find gradient of what? FG. I wrote M of FG. It means gradient of what? FG. M gradient of what? FG. We have to find gradient of EH. Abi? Gradient of what? EH. Because EH is parallel to AH. EH is parallel to AH. So let's find gradient of EH now. Abi? Gradient of EH, use the formula y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1. Abi? Can you see now? Let's find the gradients here. EH. Abi? So gradient of EH will now be equal to, what is y2 now? Y2 is 0. That is 0 minus y1 is what? 3. All over x2 is what? 9. Minus what is x1? 5. That gives us minus 3 all over. Abi? That gives us 4. So gradient of EH equal to minus 3 all over 4. So since gradient of EH is known, so and EH is parallel to what? FG. Then for the condition for parallelism are what? For if two lines are parallel to each other, their gradient will be the same. So that the gradient, and we are looking for gradient of FG. So gradient of FG, that is M of FG, means gradient of FG is equal to gradient of EH. Abi? Because they are parallel to each other, abi? Because why the reason there? Because FG, line FG is parallel to line EH. That is the reason why they must have the same gradient. Now let me continue from here. So and line EH now, line FG. So gradient of FG will now be equal to what? Minus 3 all over 4. They will have the same gradient because they are parallel to each other. And it passes through this one. Abi? We are having this one. 2, it passes through. I'm looking for equation of what? I'm looking for equation of what? FG. So it passes through F, abi, which is what? 2, minus 1. This will be our S1. Abi? This will be our what? So we can see now X1, Y1. Abi? So you have the formula, the equation to find. I want to find the equation, that is Y minus Y1 equal to M bracket X minus X1. What is Y? That will be what? Y minus Y. What is Y1? That is what? Minus 1 equal to what is M? Minus 3 all over 4 bracket what? S minus what is X1? S1 is equal to what? 2. Abi? That will be what? Minus 10 minus is what? Is plus 1. equal to minus 3 all over 4 to x minus 2. Abi? They multiply through 4, abi? Abi? Multiply through 4. That will be what? 4 brackets y plus 1 equal to what? 4 times minus 3 all over 4 brackets x minus 2. Abi? Hope you can see it like that. Hope you can see it. So 4 times y give us 4y. 4 times 1 give us 4. So this one we cancel this. So now minus 3 brackets x minus 2. Abi? Can you see it now? Good. Now let me continue from this side. Let me continue from here. This question is the solution to this question is somehow long. Don't worry. Don't worry. Abi? So if I open the bracket, I want to go to that place. So I'll be having 4y plus 4. Guys, if we open the bracket, we're having minus 3x. Let me write it out again so that you see how I got it. So that I want to write it again. We're having 4y plus 4 equal to minus 3 brackets x minus 2. So that is it. Now let's continue. I hope you can see it now. So that gives us 4y plus 4 equal to, open the bracket, we have minus 3x. Minus times minus is what? Is plus 6. So that is clear to you. Good. Then that will now be what? 4y. I want to take this one to this side, I mean, you change to plus 3x equal to 6. This plus, come here, change what? Minus 2. So we are having 4y plus 3x equal to what? No, this one is minus 4, sorry. So that give us 4, that give us 2. Equation 1. Is that clear to you now? So, equation of line FG. I mean, so equation of line FG is known now. Now we're going to find equation of line HG. Then to find equation of line HG, to find the equation of line HG. Abi, to find equation of line HG. And it passes through what? Passes through what? Passes through H. It passes through H, which is what? 9 and 0. Abi? That is what? 9, 0. This will be our x1, y1. Then the gradient of HG. How can we find the gradient of HG? Abi? Abi? How can we find the gradient of what? HG? Abi? Good. To find the gradient of HG now, you cannot find because G is unknown. Then HG is parallel to what? EF. Abi? Parallel to what? EF. Abi? Good. And if you can find the gradient of EF, then it is the same thing as the gradient of what? HG. Abi? Then since EF is parallel to HG, so therefore gradient of what? EF will be equal to what? Gradient of what? HG. Abi? Good now. So let us find the gradient of what? EF. Abi? We can easily find because the two E and AF is known, but H and G is not known. So the gradient of this side, this line, is equal to the gradient of what? This line. So let's find. So gradient of what? EF will now be equal to, let's say, the formula y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1. Abi? Good. Then, so gradient of EF will now be, because what is y2 now? Look at this. This is our y2 minus 1. What is y1? 3 all over x2, which is what? 2. Minus what is what? x1, which is what? 5. Minus 1 minus 3 give us minus 4. All over 2 minus 5 give us what? Minus 3. Abi? So minus cancel minus. So gradient of what? EF equal to 4 all over 3. Or you can also do it like this. Another way to do is what? This HG is perpendicular to FG, or this is the right angle, abi? Abi? So since gradient of what FG is known, abi? Or since you don't want to do that, you can do that. Since line FG is perpendicular to line is perpendicular to what? Line HG. Now, the condition of perpendicularity, if two lines are perpendicular to each other, the product of the what? The two lines will be equal to -1. The gradient of the two lines because of what? That will be what? M1, M2 equal to -1. So, gradient of FG, that is gradient of FG times, look at it now, gradient of FG times gradient of what? HG will be equal to -1. And gradient of FG is known, abi? Abi? The gradient of FG is what? Is the one we solve here. Look at it here. FG is what? -3/4. Then that will now be what? That will now be what? Gradient of FG is -3/4. That will be what? -3 all over 4. Abi? Gradient of what? HG equal to -1. From here, we are looking for gradient of HG, abi? So we make gradient of HG the subject of the formula, abi? Good. We make it the subject of the formula. This is another method to do to find gradient of what? So we are having gradient of what? HG. That equal to -1 divide both side by -3/5, abi? That is what? -3 all over 4. So gradient of what? HG will now be equal to -1 divided by what? -3 all over 4 all over 1, abi? That give us -1 over 1. Change it to times, abi? That is 4 over 3, abi? -3. Minus cancel minus, abi? That will be 1 times 4 all over 3. So gradient of HG is equal to 4 over 3. Now the one I was using before, I find what? Gradient of EF is known, abi? Is 4 over 3. So gradient of what? Of HG2 will be equal to what? 4 over 3. Because the gradient of EF is equal to gradient of because the gradient of EF equals to gradient of HG, because they are what? They are parallel to each other. So can you say that you get the same answer? Or you do this one to find this, abi? So you still get the same answer. Our gradient of FG is what? Is 4 over 3. So to find, so we continue from the next lesson.